Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use the Blink camera without a subscription. Now first you need to set up your Blink camera, so you need to unbox it and then just go ahead and insert the required batteries, download the Blink app and create a free account. Now you need to follow these steps to connect your camera to Wi-Fi and sync the module, okay? And then I need you to enable local storage. If you have Sync Module 2, go ahead and do that. So plug a USB flash drive into the Sync Module 2, and in the app, go to the local storage settings and ensure that it's actually active. Now this allows the system to store motion clips locally without a subscription. Then you can just go ahead and use Live View with notifications. You just go ahead and tap Live View in the Blink app to check your camera feed in real time, and don't worry guys, you'll still receive motion detection alerts without a subscription, and you can also snap pictures manually during Live View even without cloud recording. And what you can do is you can adjust the motion settings, so go to each camera settings and you can fine-tune motion zones, adjust sensitivity so you're only alerted when needed, and you can also lower false alerts to make most out of your setup. And it's really that easy and simple. Just go download the Blink app and you can get started as well. But it's really that easy and simple. So make sure you smash that like button and so subscribe to frequently asked questions.